Foreign actors or domestic?
Malware led us to a string of code that we've seen before, emanating from Russia.
Let's start recruiting sources, find out more. What the hell are they up to?
So, you were saying, Russia?
Russia. Wow, are those guys smart.
You know Professor Mifsud? Joseph Mifsud?
No, afraid I don't. Is he Russian?
Malton or Maltese, Malton needs to be from fucking Malta, but he has connections in Russia. All the way up to Putin.
We've been talking for months.
What about?
Hillary.
In what context?
Russia's got dirt on her. Lots of embarrassing stuff. Thousands of emails, and they made them all available to us.
Well, how did they get them?
Hacked straight out of the DNC and the Clinton campaign.
And the Russians are making them available to you.
We have dirt on Hillary, and we want to help. That's a quote. They said they could release it anonymously, some big data dump on the internet, time to do maximum damage to her.
Who else knows about this, George?
That's the beauty of it. No one. God bless America.
Indeed.
We should go to France.
Okay, when?
2024?
Oh, good, good. That's good. Distract me.
Everything looks great, Mr.